Here's some stats of Gaza you need to know. 90% of the population are facing severe hunger. 60% of homes have been destroyed, exposing them to the rain and cold. Oppressors are squeezing 1.8 million Palestinians into an airport-sized area in Al-Mawasi. The healthcare system has collapsed. Dozens of medical staff have been arrested, and healthcare has faced at least 137 attacks. 62,300 family units have been destroyed, and gas has been cut off. Winter is here, and Gaza faces a brutal one. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Give the sadaqah without delay, for it stands in the way of calamity." Support us here at Task Force GLM. Please consider donating £50 for food parcels, £100 for survival kits, £150 for tents and fuel, and £200 for medical supplies. Visit taskforceglm.org and donate now to support our brothers and sisters who are in dire need.